On a fault line late night, underneath the stars we came alive, and singing to the sky just felt right. I won't forget the good times, while the punks started picking fights with the skater kids under city lights. Remember how we laughed till we cried. I won't forget the good times. Sunset town, but one day the time may come, and I'll take you at your word and carry on. I'll hate the goodbye, but I won't forget the good times. I won't forget the good times. We were bare knuckle, tight lip, middle fingers up, ego trip. The devil may care, but we didn't mind. I won't forget the good times. We're the boys in black, smoking cigarettes, chasing girls who didn't know love yet. As the bonfire moon came down, I won't forget the good times. Sunset town, but one day the time may come, and I'll take you at your word and carry on. I'll hate the goodbye, but I won't forget the good times. I won't forget the good times. When we left, when those were the days. We owned the nights, locked away, lost in time. I found the nerve to say that I never wanna leave this sunset town, but one day the time may come, and I'll take you at your word and carry on. I'll hate the goodbye. Take another hollow point conversation. It's getting hard to fake the sound of you, an outlasting vibration. There's something I can't shake, the sweetness of you on my tongue. I breathe you in, you fill my lungs. A bitter taste, surrender, waste, another weakness. You and me are like drugs and candy. Take one down for the young and easy. You get me out of my head, I fill the space in your bed, high on the beat of a breakdown. You and me are like drugs and candy, and I don't wanna give it up. The sweetness of you on my tongue, I breathed you in, you filled my lungs. A bitter taste, surrender, waste, another weakness. You and me are like drugs and candy.